Hi everyone, today we're going to be going through the FDA tool. This tool shows you a list of all the stocks that have either recently gone through the FDA approval process or will be going through the FDA approval process. The reason this tool is so useful is because a lot of biotech stocks will have their market cap or the value of their company relying on a lot of research and development that they're conducting for new therapeutic treatments or new drugs and treatments that they want to list on the market. So, this is especially applicable to stocks that don't have anything currently on sale, but they might be researching something to bring to market. The main barrier to market is the FDA approval. So once one of these stocks gets FDA approval, that usually will either make or break the company if they get declined or if they get approved. Now, we basically show you a list of the stocks that have recently undergone the process, what the outcome of the FDA decision was, whether or not it got approved. We show you the outcome, the initial description of what the meeting was planned to do, the drug status, drug rivals, so other companies that are selling similar drugs, market potential, and other approvals that the drug has released. So that is what you can typically find in here. The default when the app loads is backward facing. So we can see that it is 2 months in the past all the way to 1 month in the future. If you want to trade based off of volatility, potentially even option contracts on stocks that have upcoming FDA approval, I would recommend changing this to forward facing. You can also easily filter here to specify whether or not you want to see all the ones that got approval recently. This obviously doesn't apply to stocks where the decision hasn't come out yet, so forward facing. You can filter by both decision and review. So what this means is that the decision is for a new drug and review is for a drug that's already been potentially approved, and then it's going through an FDA review process. Um, we can also see here that there's a bunch of different options. So the big ones are approved, declined, potentially extended. So if the FDA hasn't come to a decision yet, we can filter by date ranges, like previously mentioned, previous months, and also both forward facing. Once we've decided how we want to trade biostocks, we can even create a signal. We can specify whether we want to see previous or upcoming FDA meeting-based stocks. We can specify time frames, both forward and backward facing. So if we select previous, this will be backward facing, and if we select upcoming, it will be forward facing. It's important to note that both the start time and end time are based around the current day, and since this is a daily email, that will always include whatever day the email is supposed to be sent out on. So, for example, if next week this email is being sent because you created the signal today, then the start time for the data that it's collecting is the current day, and then the end time will be 30 days from that date next week. You can specify whether you want to see decisions, reviews, very similar to the filters you have off to the left, along with outcomes. It's important to note that if you select upcoming, that you cannot get the approved because you don't know, there is no status on that FDA approval yet. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you get some use out of this tool, and have a great day.